Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
And I cannot hear.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
I cannot see you and hear you.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Hear you
Now,
and
can you all hear me, dear children?
Yes.
Very good morning. Now, last day. Okay, we already late for 2-3 minutes. We are already late. So, can we start our class?
Yes.
Oh, last day we have discussed about what topic? Ask. Arush is there. Here, Arush. 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 Arush, can you hear me? Please unmute your audio and tell. Then last day what we have discussed, Arush. Arush, can you tell what is the topic we have discussed last class?
vertices.
Yes, about vertices. Very good. Very good, very good. So last day we have discussed about vertices. Very good. Now, Joanne is there. Joanne, can you hear me, Joanne?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell what is vertex? Vertex. Vertex is a point or line. Point. Vertex is a point. What point? Point where at least two sides of a figure or two sides of a shape meet. At least two sides of a shape meet. Today we are going to discuss about the sides and some other one more topic is there that I will tell you later. Today, now we are going to discuss about sides. Sides of this triangle, rectangle, and square. Okay, dear children, we have discussed last class how many sides are there for a triangle, how many sides are there for this rectangle and square.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, can we repeat what? With,
Your audio is not clear to me, dear.
ma'am, with,
Some network problem is there, I think. I can't hear you properly, dear. Please tell me your name.
Adinanda.
You can ask your doubt. Any doubt is there, dear? Any doubt is there? So today we are going to discuss about this sides of these figures. Let me ask you one thing. Can anybody tell what is the unique feature of the sides of square? Unique feature of sides of a square. Anybody? Arjun Vinayak. Where is Arjun Vinayak? Can you tell?
Equal.
All the sides are equal for a square. Dear children, for a square, what is the special feature? All the sides are equal. Next, Achyut. Can you tell what is the special feature of the sides of a rectangle? Can you? Special feature of sides of a rectangle. Can you hear me, dear?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is asking permission?
Adidev.
Adidev. Wait. Let Achyut tell. After that, if he don't know, I will give you a chance. Otherwise, any other question I will give you. Okay, Adidev? Please.
Yes.
Achyut. Can you hear me, Achyut? Then now Adidev can tell. I think some network problem is there for Achyut. Okay, Adidev, can you tell?
Ma'am, its corners are equal.
I am asking about sides. The
Two
sides.
are.
Okay, somewhat correct. Tell. Opposite sides are equal. What is special about rectangle? Opposite
Opposite sides of equal.
Opposite sides are equal. Now we can see the sides of this square and rectangle and all, and we can name these things. Okay, dear children.
Ma'am, we should write down.
No. No need to write now. Just see how we are going to do all these things. Wait for a few minutes. Dear children, don't touch the screen. Okay? Don't scribble on the screen. Dear children, please mute your audio. Some sounds are coming. Last year we have discussed different sides and all, isn't it? Wait for. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a square or rectangle is enough. That is better. First we can discuss about rectangle. Dear children, can you see a rectangle on the board?
Yes.
Ma'am, now I am going to name the corners. You don't want to draw this? A, B. Can you see this letters?
Yes.
Can you all?
Yes.
Okay. And vertices.
Yes.
Now, before doing this, I will ask you one question. Dear children, now I am going to draw simply a line. And I am going to write here P, Q. How you will name the line, Hanna?
PQ.
PQ. The name of the line segment is PQ. Like that.
PQ.
Like that. Here, these line segments are the sides, isn't it? This is a line segment, this is a line segment, this is a line segment. Otherwise, they are sides. So all the sides are the line segments. So if I want to name the sides, you want to name first this line segment. What is the name? A.
AB.
So what is the name of the side? A.
AB.
What will be the name of this side?
BC.
BC. Next one?
AD.
CD. AB. Yes, children. AB. BC.
BC.
Then
CD.
CD. Then
DA.
A. Like this, you have to tell the name of the sides. AB,
BC.
BC, DC, CD, TA. These are the sides. These are the four sides. AB, BC. Dear children, don't scribble on the board. CD. Then, which is the last side? DA. Dear children, please wait, okay? AB, BC, CD, TA. These are the sides. What are the vertices? Vertices? A, comma, B,
comma, C,
comma,
D.
okay. This is the way we have to tell the names of the sides. Clear, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I will draw another figure. For that, you have to tell me the answers. Okay. I am going to draw a rectangle now. Can you see? Can you all see the rectangle, dear children?
Yes.
Hadi.
Not rectangle, triangle.
Hadi, sorry, triangle, yes.
Triangle.
Hadi, can you hear me, Hadi?
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to give the name for this triangle as PQR. Hadi, can you tell me which all are the vertices of this triangle? Can you name the vertices of this triangle?
P, Q,
P, comma, Q, comma, R. Very good. Now, Aditya, can you hear me, dear?
P, R.
Aditya is not there here. Aditya, unmute and say.
Unmute, I say. Unmute.
Okay. Can you name the sides of this triangle? Sides of this triangle? Can you name the sides of this triangle? I will help you from, you have to start from P. You can start from P. P, Q. This side is P, Q. Then next side is Q, QR. Then R, P. Or PR also correct. P, Q, QR, R, P. Okay. So we can write three sides. So three sides will be there like this. P, Q, Q, R. Then third side is R, P. Okay, dear children.
Yes.
Next I am going to draw a
And we want to
rectangle.
draw.
No, you don't
And
want
we
to.
want to draw. And we want to
Draw.
write.
Asher should say the answer for next question. Asher,
And we
can
want
you hear
to
me,
draw.
Asher?
Ma'am, we will write.
No need to write here. I'm going to draw a square next. Then going to give name for that like L, M, N, O. Asher. Can you hear me, Asher? Can you hear me, Asher? Can you hear me, Asher? What happened here?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Can you hear me?
ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am.
Who's calling me? Pranav and Prarthana. Pranav and Prarthana. Can you hear me, Pranav and Prarthana?
Yes.
Yes. Now, can you name the sides of this square? Four sides of the square. Sorry. Louder, louder.
L-I-N M-L-M.
Two letters. One side for naming one side. You have to use two letters. So first side.
L-M.
L, M. Very good. Then
M-N.
very good. M, N. Very good. Then sorry.
N-O.
L, M, M, N. Very good.
N-O.
Oh, very good. N, O. Then next last side.
O-L.
O, L. Very good. L, M, M, N, N, O, L. Asher.
O-L.
Now can you tell the vertices of the this square?
Someone is
Asher.
L, comma,
L, comma,
M, comma,
M, comma,
N, comma,
N, comma,
O, comma.
O.
O.
Very good, very good. Next, Sweden. Sweden. Can you hear me, Sweden? Sweden Paul. Can you hear me? No, he can't hear me. Okay, so now have you understood, dear children, how we will name the sides?
Yes.
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 One more question for Hazel. Hazel and Niren, be ready for answering. Hazel, I'm going to draw again a rectangle with another name. Hazel, can you see the rectangle? Hazel? Okay. Now I'm going to give name as don't scribble on the screen, your device. I am going to give name for this rectangle as W, X, W,
Y,
X,
Y,
I,
Z.
Z. Okay? Now, Hazel, can you tell me the names of the four sides? You can start from W because that is the first letter. No? Like that you can start.
X, Y, Y, Z.
Hazel, once again, I put in start. First side, W.
W, X,
Very good. W, X. Then,
Y,
pardon? Sorry, dear.
Y,
Unmute and say, dear.
X,
Unmute. You can see a microphone symbol, touch on that. And unmute and say. Now you can say WX, then
Y.
XY, very good. Then YZ, very good. Then ZW, very good. Now, Niran,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the names of the vertices?
W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. W, X, Y, Z. Joanne, can you hear me, Joanne?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the unique feature of this unique feature of a rectangle? Unique feature of a rectangle. What is the specialty of the sides of a rectangle?
Opposite
Opposite.
Opposite side.
Equal. Opposite sides are equal. Very good. These two sides will be equal and these two sides will be
equal.
Then Vaishnav, can you tell me the unique feature of a square? Sides of a square? Unique feature of sides of a square? All sides are
Equal.
All sides are
Equal.
now. Dear children, now we have discussed about the sides. Today we are going to discuss about one more topic. One new word you are going to study. Diagonal. What is that?
Diagonal.
Diagonal. Diagonal is a straight line. Diagonal is a what it is, dear children? Straight line. Diagonal is a straight line. What straight line? It will be inside a shape. It will be inside a shape that joins opposite vertices. That joins
Opposite
vertices.
Vertices.
Vertices, you know now. You people knows what is vertices, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, diagonal is a straight line inside a shape that joins opposite vertices of a shape. Okay? We can see now what is diagonal. I will draw and show you. Okay? No need to copy anything now. Again, you can see a rectangle over here. Can you see? Dear children, can you see the rectangle? Red rectangle.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to give again name for that A, B, Z, D. So, dear children, diagonal means the straight line inside a shape. So, the diagonal will be inside this rectangle ABCD, not outside. Okay, dear children? It joins opposite vertices. Opposite vertices means this B and D are opposite vertices and A and C are A, C. These are the opposite vertices. D, B. These are the opposite vertices. Okay. So I am going to join these vertices.
BD opposite. Opposite.
Okay, dear children. It's not straight. It should be straight. Consider it as a straight line. Okay, dear children. So this AC. Now you can name this line as AC. This black line AC and this another black line BD are the diagonals of the rectangle ABCD. Have you understood, dear children?
Yes.
So how many diagonals are there for a rectangle?
Two.
Two diagonals are there. What are the, can you tell the names? Names of these diagonals?
D.
A,
C,
A,
C.
AC, A, C, then next one?
D.
D. So two diagonals are there for a rectangle. They are AC and BD.
D.
Now, I am going to draw another one square. Square like
ఇది కూడా
square as can you see the square on the board?
Yes.
One square. Now I am going to give name for that. P, Q, R, S. And I'm going to draw a diagonal inside that in red color. That red color, what I'm drawing is diagonal. Straight line, dear children. So, I will ask you, Alex. Can you hear me, Alex? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Then, can you tell the name, how many diagonals are there in this figure? How many diagonals?
4.
How many diagonals are there?
3.
Diagonals means the line, a straight line inside a shape that joins opposite vertices. So how many diagonals are there? Red color lines? Two are there. Can you name those lines? Can you name those lines? PR and QS. Very good, very good. PR, QS. These are the two diagonals. Now, Catherine, can you hear me, Catherine? Catherine Licho, please unmute and say, can you hear me, Catherine? I can't hear your sound here. Catherine?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the names of 4 vertices? Can you tell the names of 4 vertices? Can you? P.
R.
After P, which is the letter P, then Q, okay, then R, very good. Next one is
S.
S. P, Q, R, S. These are the 4 vertices. Then next UN. UN, can you hear me, UN? Where is UN?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, UN?
Yes.
Can you name the 4 sides of the square? 4 sides. 4 sides of the square. Can you name? Please, I can't hear you, dear. Can you tell it more louder? P. Only P is there for one side. One letter is there.
PQ.
Very good. PQ. Then
RS.
RS. Okay. I will write this side. Side. Okay. PQ.
Yes.
Then after PQ, which is the after PQ, which is the side? After PQ, QR, dear. QR. Okay. QR. Then PQ, QR. Then what is next? RS. Very good. Then very good. SP. PQ, QR, RS, SP. Very good. Next. Muhammad Famis. Next, let me ask you, dear children, for a triangle, I'll show you one triangle. Yes, triangle. I will show you one triangle and I will ask you one question. Can you see a triangle over here?
Yes.
Can anybody tell how many diagonals are there for a triangle?
0.
Tell me the name and tell the answer. Who's answering now? Who is answering now?
Ma'am. 0.
Please tell me the name.
Diagonal.
Please tell me the name.
Trunga.
Rugda.
Trungarius.
Sri Rugda. Please tell me the name, dear.
Trungarius.
Little more louder. I can't hear you, dear.
Trungarius.
Vrinda.
Tringa.
Shringa. Okay, Shringa. Very good. So, Shringa, how many diagonals are there for a rectangle? Triangle?
0.
0. Very good. For a triangle, no diagonals. For a triangle, is there any diagonals?
No.
What about circle? Then what about circle?
Diagonal.
For circle also? For a circle also? No diagonal. What I hear, I will give you another picture, like otherwise you will. For a circle also? For a circle also, any diagonal is there?
No.
No. So, time is up, dear children.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to. Dear children, hope you understood what is diagonal. What is diagonal? Diagonal means a straight line. Where the straight line will be inside a shape that joins opposite vertices. Today you have learned how to name sides and how to name a diagonal and how many diagonals are there for each figure. Are you all clear with these topics?
Yes.
Have you understood all these things?
Yes.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Very good, children.
Bye.
Thank